An exclusive investigative report from the Washington Post has just revealed a stunning minute-by-minute timeline of the shortest tenure of a federal prosecutor in American history. Roger Rogoff was officially sworn in as the United States Attorney for Seattle at exactly 7:40 a.m. on a Thursday morning. By 8:34 a.m., just 54 minutes later, he was fired by President Donald Trump. The incredibly tight timeline shows just how fast the White House acted to crush what they viewed as a judicial overreach. At 7:40 a.m., Rogoff stood inside the chambers of U.S. District Judge Richard Jones, raised his right hand, and took the sacred oath of office. The bipartisan group of local federal judges had appointed him to fill a long-standing vacancy that the administration had left open. By 7:50 a.m., Rogoff walked out of chambers as the highest-ranking federal law enforcement officer in Western Washington, heading straight down to the executive office lobby on the 10th floor. He was preparing to introduce himself to the staff and coordinate a smooth transition of power. But the staff, highly loyal to the Trump administration, immediately notified officials in Washington, D.C. The internal panic inside the Department of Justice moved at absolute lightning speed. By 8:15 a.m., senior aides alerted Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche that a court-appointed prosecutor had successfully taken the oath. Blanche immediately took the matter directly to President Trump, arguing that allowing local judges to pick their own prosecutors completely undermined executive authority. At exactly 8:34 a.m., while Rogoff was still reviewing office paperwork, an official email from the White House completely ended his tenure. The message was incredibly blunt, stating simply that the president was exercising his constitutional authority under Article 2 to remove him from the position effective immediately. Rogoff was ordered to hand over his credentials and leave the building. The Washington Post notes that this wild incident is a direct result of a highly aggressive legal strategy engineered by Todd Blanche. The administration